Good evening, it's Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. Check out this 1 litre VTEC Turbo Smart Plus Honda Civic. This car, every time I walk into the showroom that happens. I walk past the car and I go, oh my god, that is so cool looking in white orchid pearl. Seriously, just look at it. White orchid pearl, black wheels, Smart Plus specification, tinted rear glass. Let's have a quick look around the car. This is really damn cool. If you want information on this car, 086 843 1945 or come to the garage here in Kildare town. Fitzpatrick's Garage, Kildare. God, I can't point. This is a family-run business in operation for almost 70 years. There is Honda, Hyundai, Mercedes here in Kildare, and there's other branches at Naas and Carlow and Tullamore. And the reason I'm saying this to you is it is a family-run business in operation for almost 70 years. So if you're spending a lot of money, you want to make sure if you're buying a really nice car like that, that there is going to be an after-sale service that's there to look after you. Anyway, let's have a look around the car. The first thing that we see on the outside of the car is really nice front fog lights down here, double optic headlights in through here. Along the side over here, it's hard to see because this camera is rubbish. But there is a nice side marker along the side over here. I really like that. It is an American style, but at night time when the car is driving you pass along beside on the motorway, it's really distinctive. After that then, the paint, it's kind of hard to see here at the moment, but this is a white pearl orchid kind of colour, so it's really, really nice. The other thing then after that is these wheels are a diamond cut finish, so if you see the way my hand is reflecting off the wheels along through here, it just means that at night time or in artificial light you get a really nice, how would you say, shine kind of reflective sort of surface overall. That is a 127 horsepower, 1 litre 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, as we see along here. So it does have technology which is that of VTEC turbo. The car is 127 horsepower, a real thumpy, enjoyable engine to drive, and then all day long that car is somewhere in the region of, if you think in miles per gallon like me, then you're going to be somewhere in the region of 50 to 55 miles per gallon, if you treat it right, that is. And in terms of litres per 100 kilometres, you're going to be somewhere in the region of about 5 to 6 litres per 100 kilometres, again, depending how you drive, but very, very achievable numbers. And just look at it. That's why every single time I walk into the showroom, this car stands out like a freaking sore thumb to me. It's so damn nice looking. The white and black is really, really, really congruent. Other stuff over here, actually just down at the front, oops, wrong side. Over here you have the Honda Sensing radar setup. So at the front of the car, there is other videos I can send you which are much more detailed, but the car is looking forward, and if you are about to impact something, if under 32 kilometers an hour you don't touch the brake pedal, it's going to start activating brake. It is going to stop you drifting out of lanes on a motorway. It is going to warn you, but then it's actively going to engage as well. And then you have all your safety features like driver passenger side curtain airbags, steel bars down the side for side impact protection. Again, I can send you a more detailed video of all the information and specification on the car. Just give me a call, 086 843 1945, and I'll text it onto you via a YouTube link. After that, looking down the side of the car, privacy glass on the rear. There is a nice spoiler which actually is for airflow along through here, as is this rear spoiler also, and then we're round to those really damn nice LED rear lights. So when you're driving behind one of these at night time, there is a lovely C looking shape, and same on the other side as well. And actually from a profile, when you're driving down the side of the car, you'll see the really nice LED lamps and then the little side marker, just giving you an idea of the overall size and lines on the car overall. Really, really nice. The black sections along the back, it is love or hate along that. Some people really love it because they like the way the black matches up with the rest. I think it's really, really nice, but some people again like darker colours as well, so it's really personal preference. Small little splitter section down along the bottom through there as well, but black overall, really, really nice. The boot in these Civics is cavernous, to say the least. Really, really big long boot. I've got loads of space in the back compared to the old model. Actually, there's more leg room in the back along through here, and I actually have that seat all the way back in the front, and there's still room for me when I'm 6 foot along through here. I've got 3-point safety belts, 3 head restraints, and a nice comfortable place to be. And then, as we were saying, up front, again, nice space. I actually would normally sit a bit closer to the steering wheel than this. I will have lumbar support so I can harden up the back part of my seat, and then obviously height adjustment backwards and forwards. That steering wheel comes in and out and up and down as well. And then I have my digital clock display in through here. Over here I have things like my cruise control, which is lane keep assist, adaptive even cruise control, which is following the car in front of me, and if they slow down, I slow down too. I've got my Bluetooth and all that kind of stuff over here, and then I've got an iMid function here, so I can change the information on the screen using this I button over down through here. I have all my things like parking sensors on the front of the car, and also on the rear of the car, and that coincides within here when it's set up, a reverse camera that's in through there as well. After that then I have other things like the safety functions if I wish to turn them off. So some people really want the safety functions, and some people still just want to drive a car and do everything themselves, so you can disengage a lot of the safety functions if you don't feel like you want them. Similarly, down through the centre of the car, we have our gear set up in through here. We do have an automatic handbrake in through here, an economy function to reduce how aggressive the cruise control and the air conditioner is. Air conditioning, reverse camera, audio, Bluetooth, everything, satellite navigation, all controlled in through here. Again, 086 843 1945, text me and I will send you on an exact YouTube link that goes through all this car, this exact specification. So here's the crack, lads. If you are somebody, male or female, and you like the look of this car, and why the heck would you not? Just look at it. It's really, really, really nice. White orchid pearl, smart plus, wheels, black sections, white, all really congruent, all goes well together. I think it's deadly. Anyway, no matter what trade-in you have, we can take that trade-in. It doesn't matter what it is, we can make you an offer on it. If you want finance, we can do that too. If you want an estimate before you come to the garage, 086 843 1945, give me a shout and I will be happy to run through how everything works on a car like this in terms of payments, and give you an estimate on your own car, because you know some people aren't exactly local to us and we deal with people all over the country because of the internet. After that then there's 3 years roadside assist, and there's also 3 years warranty on a car like this, and it's a Honda, so they are extremely reliable, robust, well-built vehicles. If you're looking for a car that's reliable, if you're looking for a car that's easy to run, i.e. easy on fuel, easy on road tax, and you don't need a diesel car anymore, if you want a car that's well equipped, if you want a car that looks nice, if you want a car that's different than buying, and without using a specific example, let's face it, Golf and Focus are absolutely everywhere, great cars, but if you want something that's a little bit different, this is something that will turn heads when you pull into a petrol station. It's really, really damn nice. Hopefully you think the same as me. If you don't, then we have different opinions. But I think pretty much the vast majority of people that come in to look at a car like this are going, yeah, that's cool. So hopefully this car is of interest. Thank you for taking time to watch. Brian's my name. Fitzpatrick's Garage, Kildare Town, 086 843 1945 if you want any information. Thank you for taking time to watch.